Samsung's biggest surprise of the future is almost here. The secret Galaxy Dream project, which is Samsung's custom Galaxy chips designed especially for Samsung phones and laptops of the future to surpass all the competition including Apple and Qualcomm. And well, now we know when we can actually see the first insight on this Galaxy Dream chipset project. Yes, according to Iceverse, TM Rowe, the head of mobile division himself, will reveal the latest information on the Galaxy dedicated chipset at the Galaxy S23 Unpacked launch event. This is a massive news which confirms that Samsung will not quit on making their own chips. Right now, they're not on the level of Apple and Qualcomm, but for the future, they have the plan set and they're going to bring their own custom chip. South Korean media also dived into who is actually making this chip within Samsung's division, and basically, Samsung's MX business team is responsible for building this custom chip, which is an entirely different team compared to the Samsung LSI, which was responsible for the Exynos processors. The goal is to create a processor that is custom made for Samsung ecosystem that will also surpass the competition. Not just that, rumors are saying that Samsung could actually go all in when it comes to the custom neural core chips. Yes, we may actually see an 8-core neural chip in the future to enhance the videos and photos, bringing in mind-blowing HDR improvements along with the photos that will look pretty much identical to a DSLR camera. This could even possibly be the biggest breakthrough when it comes to smartphones in the future. So there we go, Galaxy chipset. I'm super excited to see what Samsung will unpack at their official Galaxy S23 event. Just to give you guys a roundup, we have quite a lot to look forward to. On February 1st, Samsung will announce the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, along with the official launch of the One UI 5.1, which will of course come to the older Galaxy flagships as well. Along with this, we could see the announcement of the Qualcomm Orion-powered Galaxy Book series, which is going to be a serious competitor to Apple's M series laptops. We may see Tab S9 series along with the S22 Fan Edition. It's going to be a pretty huge event, so definitely subscribe for all the latest news. As always, I'll keep you guys updated. With that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.